right, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do we got a cool one for you here now. It's not a very big car cruise, but it's a car cruise. But before I show you the cool cars, if you can do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button, that'd be wonderful. So why don't you guys come with me and we'll look and see what we have. All right. We're over at a place called Bench Racers. It's in St. Charles, and it's an old 1940s gas station. And there's a few cars here, so let's walk around and check them out. We'll start over here with this Willys and take a look at that. This is going to be a nice, very cool Willys when he gets it all done. He's got the engine done now already. When he gets it painted, we're going to talk to him one-on-one with an interview. Oh boy, look at all those gauges. Let's go check it out from the other side. And those are some cool wheels. Okay, we can get through that way. All right. Let's take a look at this from this side. Look at these wheels, man. They're nice. Very cool. Look at this, folks. This is real nice. Wow. Very cool. All right. Let's walk around over here to this one. There we go with the GTO. Very neat. This is a really cool car, folks. This is a fun car right here for sure. It's got a built 400 in it. Very cool. All right. And we got this here 1980 Z28 Camaro. Man, this is a beauty, isn't it? Wow. This is a sweet, sweet ride. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very cool for sure. This is a sweet car for sure. All right, check out these cars. Wow. This one here. I wonder if that's a gas tank. I don't think so. I don't see any lines coming off it, but if it would, it wouldn't be enough to get you around the block. Very, very cool. I like this. Look at this interior on this thing. Oh, we missed that one. Very sweet. 1932. And a 1932. That's that beautiful car here. Look at this thing. This thing is gorgeous. Very much so. Tell you what, this is a neat place to have a little car cruise at. This place is awesome. Okay, let's go over here and check out these two cars. Little Chevy Cruze RS. Boy, he's got this thing clean. He takes it around to a lot of the little car shows around here. It's a very nice little car. And check this out, it's a Lotus. You don't see these very often. Wow. That thing is cool. Look at this. Man, I tell you what, this thing sits low to the ground. Very much so. Very, very cool. All right. Now we can't forget this beautiful Camaro here. Look at the inside of this. What year is your Camaro?
That's a 69.
Okay, 69. Very cool. Sure is pretty.
Thank you.
Have you had it a long time?
Yeah, a couple years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work. Yeah. What size engine you got? Oh, a 350?
350, yes.
Nice. Probably scoots that along pretty good. And I did learn that those were blinkers down at the bottom on either side of the license plate. Very cool. I think I might have had this on video before.
I know you missed it at the Shriner show.
Okay.
I watched both videos you had.
Oh,
and you got right close to it, and then you stopped videoing, and then you went and I was
around.
Like, oh, he missed my coffee.
Yeah.
So
Well, you're gonna see. I am for sure.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Very cool. All right. Check out this little thing. That's a neat little car.
First 10, I like the first 10. When it gets too hot, you drive the Nissan.
Yeah, very neat.
The Camry or whatever it is.
Yeah. This is really neat for sure. Okay. Now, oh, look at this. The guy opened up the hood on his Camaro. My engine did not look like that in 1979. It must have upgraded in 1980. Wow, that thing is beautiful. Holy cow. That thing is super neat. Look at the front of this, folks. Is that neat or what? Very cool. All right. We're going to take a look inside the shop there. Got some little bitty wheels on that thing. It's like go-kart wheels.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. That's inside the little gas station part here. This is a neat little place. I enjoy coming down here, seeing all the old oil cans and nostalgic stuff down here. Got some cool stuff up on the walls. Very neat.
You guys out of St. Louis or more Illinois side? Okay.
Very cool.
Sounded like maybe not, but yeah, you guys usually got plenty of parking like that. A lot of others usually pretty empty. Otherwise, we get enough.
All right. Well, I think that might be about it. Let's go up a little higher here and see what we can find. Got a few cars out here, not a lot, but a few. But what's here is completely awesome, for sure. walk out here so you guys can see the picnic tables and stuff out here. This place has awesome atmosphere. This place is cool. So anyway, enough of that. I'd go out there, but I'm not going to. All right, folks. Well, I was going to end the video here, but Randy's getting ready to start up his Willys, so we're going to listen to it. I'll talk to you later. All right. Hey, I never heard of Willys like this before. This is awesome. Oh yeah, I forgot. Take care. Listen to this thing. That's cool. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed this edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click the little logo right up here, and you can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks a bunch for watching. I really do appreciate you folks watching my videos.